Hello, dear children. Good morning. Children, today I am going to start with the reading part of your first lesson, Our Water Resources. We have completed the explanation part in our previous classes, right? And in today's class, I am going to start the reading part. See, our water resources or water. WATER, water resources. RESOURCES, our water resources. Water is one of the most important important natural natural resources available available to us. Life cannot exist without it. Water covers nearly nearly 3/4 of the Earth's surface. Surface. Salty or saline water. Saline water obtained obtained from oceans oceans and seas is not fit for consumption. Consumption. Fresh water is obtained from different sources but constitutes constitutes only 3% of the total water on earth. So, where do we get this water from? Rain, rain is the main source of fresh water in India. However, however, it is received it is received mainly through through the monsoons monsoons, but its distribution but its distribution is not uniform throughout the country. Some places receive receive a lot of rainfall, whereas others receive little little. Based on their source, fresh water that we get from water bodies can be divided divided into two types. Surface water surface water and groundwater groundwater. Rivers rivers, ponds, lakes and streams streams form sources of surface water. Rivers that originate originate in the mountains mountains get water from the melting snow melting snow and rain, but the peninsular but the peninsular rivers are dependent dependent on the rains only. Groundwater is the water that seeps seeps into the earth's surface. Irrigation irrigation. Apart from meeting meeting our everyday needs, water is largely largely used for irrigation purposes. Irrigation purposes. Irrigation purposes. In India, agriculture, agriculture, agriculture is primarily primarily dependent dependent on monsoons. However, in case of delayed or less rains, irrigation becomes important. It is done through through wells, tube wells, canals, canals and Persian wheels. Persian wheels. Wells and tube wells. In villages, in villages, wells are dug to bring groundwater to the surface. In case the water level is too deep, deep, then a deeper hole is dug and water is brought, brought to the surface using an electric pump. It is called a tube well. Tube, tube well. They are used in the states states of Punjab, Punjab, Haryana, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Gujarat, Gujarat. Canals. Canals are built, built to bring water from the rivers directly, directly to the fields. Tanks. In some areas, artificial artificial reservoirs artificial reservoirs are created created to store rainwater and use it for irrigation. They are known as tanks. Tanks. This method of irrigation is commonly commonly used in Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Karnataka, and Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. So children, we will continue the remaining reading part in our next class. Children, once go through the today's video and do reading. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to me. Bye children. Thank you.